Hey guys, this is MacBook M1 Pro. I'm about to change the battery. So if you want to change the battery, you have to go through this process. Follow me. There is gum under the battery, you need to pull out before the battery comes out. So this is the hardest part, this middle. Successfully, the battery is out. So this is a new battery. Okay, you have to remove this. The battery has been changed. The back, you can see this place and this place, so you need to hook them into this place by sliding down. Now you let the longer screw up, put the longer screw up while the shorter one down. Voila, our system is ready.